Heat energy, light energy, and sound energy. Heat energy or thermal energy is the result of the vibrating motion of particles. Heat energy can be transformed from normal objects with more particle motions energy to cooler objects with less objects particle motion. Conduction is the transfer of energy and electric charge. States of matter. At high temperature, the particles move faster at gas state. At lower temperature, the particles move slowly at liquid state. At lowest temperature, the particles tightly pack to one another and barely move at solid state. Light energy. Light is a form of energy that can be seen by the eye. Some sources of light also release heat like the sun. Objects that absorb light are appear to be dark. Objects that reflect the light are appear to be bright. Reflection is a change in direction of light bouncing up the surface like a lake. Refraction is a bending of light rays as it passes in different substances at an angle. Sound is a form of energy that can be heard. It is a transfer of energy in the form of waves from the rapidly vibrating particles in a given substance. Amplitude or size of a wave determines how highest sound is. Frequency determines its pitch.